How to eat dates. Dates are rich in nutrients, vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber and are a popular fruit that is consumed all around the world. They can be eaten both as a dried fruit as well as a fresh fruit. Dates are a versatile fruit that can be used to enhance dishes, as a substitute for sugar and other ingredients, as well as being prepared and consumed on their own. 1. Using dried dates. Choose unsulfured dried dates for the best taste. Sulfured dried fruits contain chemicals to help them stay a consistent color over time. But these dates could possibly react negatively with other ingredients and will not taste as fresh. Sulfides can also cause stomach issues in some people, so try to avoid them whenever possible. Medjool dates are the most common dried dates. Check the bulk department of your grocery store rather than the aisles with other dried fruits because they are more likely to be found there. 2. Eat dried dates for more vitamins and minerals than fresh dates. Dried dates are more nutrient-dense than their fresh counterparts. They are a delicious sweet snack and can be consumed by themselves. Dates also come in many different varieties, each with their own slightly different flavors. Try different dates to find one that you like. Dried dates also have more calories than fresh dates. One medjool date can contain up to 16 grams of sugar, so use caution if you need to monitor your blood sugar or sugar intake. 3. Add dried dates as a topping. Dried dates are a great way to garnish your favorite dishes. Anytime you want to add a little bit of nutritious sweetness, you can use dried dates. Here are a few ideas for using dried dates as a topping. Add dates to a fruit salad. Spread dates on flatbread or crackers, maybe with some cream cheese or jam. Drop some dates into Greek yogurt for a sweet and healthy snack. Put dried dates in your warm oatmeal to add some sweetness to it. Sprinkle dates on top of your leafy green salad. 4. Stuff dates to make a delicious appetizer. You can stuff dates with savory ingredients like cream cheese, blue cheese, or nuts. Or you can turn them into a delicious sweet treat by stuffing them with chocolate or candied pecans. The pockets made by the pits being removed make the perfect place for you to fill your dates with a stuffing of your choice. If you have to remove the pit yourself, make sure you make a small slit lengthwise in the date, rather than cutting in half. This will give you a little pocket you can stuff. For an ultra-savory option, wrap cheese stuffed dates in bacon and bake them in the oven until the bacon is crisp. 5. Blend dates to use as a natural sugar substitute. Dried dates provide a ton of natural sweetness that you can use to add to smoothies, desserts, and even your own snack bars. 4. You can blend dried dates to form a sugary fruit paste that works great as a natural sugar substitute. Cut your dried dates into smaller pieces, soak them in warm water for 10 minutes, then blend them until they reach a smooth consistency. A puree of 1 cup, 240 ml, of dried dates substitutes 1 cup, 240 ml, of sugar in a recipe. 6. Use dried dates to make raw food desserts. You can blend dried dates to use for raw food desserts like brownies, cake, and pie crusts. Blend the dried dates and add cacao and nuts to make delicious, flourless fudge. You can also blend dried dates and line a pie pan with the paste to make a great crust. There are many recipes to use dried dates in raw food desserts. Check online to find one that works for you. Dried dates make great substitutes for vegan, paleo, or other raw food diet desserts. Eating fresh dates. 1. Snack on soft fresh dates as a tasty fresh fruit. There are many varieties of dates, and fresh dates are classified by when they're harvested. Freshly harvested dates are plump with glossy skin and are very soft. They can be consumed without any special preparation, just be sure to eat around the pit in the center. Semi-soft dates refer to fresh date varieties that are naturally more firm than soft dates. Be sure to wash the outside of the date before you eat it. 2. Candy soft dates as a dessert dish. Peel 1 pound, 0.45 kilograms, of dates, cover them with water in a saucepan and simmer them for 30 minutes. Then remove the seeds, add the dates back into the saucepan, add 2 cups, 470 ml, of sugar, and let them sit overnight or for 12 hours. After that, Add 4 cups, 0.95 L, of water and boil the water until it's reduced to a thick syrup. When it's cool enough to eat, serve, and enjoy. You can store the candied dates in sealed jars in the refrigerator for up to 1 year. 3. Add fresh dates to a smoothie. Fresh dates are full of vitamins and antioxidants and make a great addition to a smoothie. Even the softest dates are a fibrous fruit, so blend them as the first ingredient and process them until they're smooth before adding any other ingredients. Otherwise, you may end up with chunks of fleshy dates floating around your smoothie. Add fresh dates like you would add any other fresh fruit. Fresh dates are not as sweet as dried dates, so you may need to add something to sweeten your smoothie. Be sure to remove the seeds before you add them. 4. Use dry fresh dates for a healthy, sweet snack. Dry fresh dates are not the same as dried dates. They are dates that have not been deliberately dehydrated and still retain some of the fruit's natural moisture. They are similar in texture to dried dates and are more nutritious than soft or semi-soft fresh dates, but they have fewer calories than dried dates. 9. You can use dry fresh dates similarly to how you use dried dates. If you are trying to consume fewer sugars and calories, dry fresh dates are a good alternative to dried dates. Warnings. Dates are high in sugar, so check the nutrition labels and exercise portion control. Dates with sulfites added to preserve them can cause stomach pain, gas, and bloating in some people. Check the packaging to see if the dates contain sulfites.